Hello students, welcome to my video. Today we are going to learn Standard 7th Mathematics and its lesson number 14 Algebraic Formulae Expansion of Squares.
So let's start the expanded form of the square of a binomial. Student, you already learned about binomial. So I just revise here. Binomial means what? An algebraic expression containing two terms is called binomial. Okay. See here. Here I write algebraic expression and this expression contains two terms. Okay. Therefore, this expression is called binomial. Okay. X plus y. This is also binomial. Okay. Now, in this lesson, we learn the expanded form of the square of a binomial. Okay. So, first see expanded form means what? The product of algebraic expressions is called their expansion or their expanded form. Okay. Means x plus y into x plus y. The answer of this product gives the expanded form. Okay. Let's see the expanded form of the square of binomial. What does it mean? Suppose we take a binomial a plus b. Okay. In this expression there are two terms. Okay. Therefore this is binomial. Now we take square of it, that is square of full a plus b bracket square. Okay. You know phi square is written as phi into phi. Here a plus b bracket square. Therefore we write this as a plus b into a plus b. You have already learned multiplication of binomials, that is multiplying binomial by a binomial. So here how to multiply. First we multiply by this bracket to a, that is a into a plus b. Then we multiply this bracket by b with sign plus b, a plus b. And this is, now we multiply each term in this bracket by a, that is a into a plus a into b. Now we multiplying each term of this bracket by b, that is b into a plus b into b. A into a is a square plus a into b, that is ab, plus b into a is ba or ab, plus b into b is b square. Now here a square plus here ab plus ab, ab plus ab is 2ab plus b square. Okay, therefore we get expansion of a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is very useful when we solve examples. Okay, so you remember this, a plus b bracket square equal to a square plus 2 into ab plus b square. Okay, square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of second term. Now we see another formula, that is a minus b bracket square. Similar way we expand this a minus b bracket square, that is a minus b into a minus b. Now we multiply a to this bracket, that is a into a minus b to this bracket, that is a minus b. Now multiplying each term of this bracket by a, that is a into a minus a into b minus of b into a minus minus get plus b into b. Now a into a is a square minus a into b, that is ab, minus b into a is ba or ab, plus b into b is b square. Now here a square minus ab, that is minus 2ab plus b square. This is expansion of a minus b bracket square. Okay, remember this formula. A plus b bracket square is what? A square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here only difference is that second term is in subtraction form. Okay, so remember these two formula. This is useful when we solve examples in practice set 50. See practice set 50. First question, expand. First example is 5a plus 6b bracket square. To solve this, we use previous formula, that is a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square. Here expanded, here this expansion is in form a plus b bracket square. So here we use this formula. So a square, that is 5a square, plus 2 into ab, that is here a is 5a into b is 6b, plus b square, that is square of second term, 6b bracket square. Okay, 5a bracket square, that means 5 square into a square, plus here 2 into 5a into 6b. Now here we write multiplication of constants, that is 2 5s are 10, 10 6s are 60, 60 into multiplication of variables, that is a into b is ab, plus 6b bracket square, that means 6 square into b square, 5 square is 25, 25 into a square, plus 60 ab plus 6 square is 36 b square. This is expansion of 5a plus 6b bracket square. Now see second example. A upon 2 plus b upon 3 whole square. Here also we use a plus b whole square formula. So here a is a upon 2 and b, that is second term, is b upon 3. So here write down square of first term, that is a upon 2 bracket square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is a upon 2 into b upon 3, plus square of second term, that is b upon 3 bracket square. Okay, a upon 2 whole square, that means a square upon 2 square, a square upon 2 square is 4, plus here 2 to get cancel, and a into b is ab upon 3, plus b upon 3 whole square, that is b square upon 3 square is 9. This is expansion of a upon 2 plus b upon 3 whole square. Now see next example. Next is 2p minus 3q bracket square. This is in the form a minus b bracket square, that is here a is 2p, that is first term is 2p and second term is 3q, that is b is 3q. So use this formula. So write down first term square, that is 2p bracket square minus 2 into ab, that is 2p into second term is 3q, plus b square, that is plus here b is 3q, 3q square, 2p square, that means 2 square into p square, and 2 square is 4, 4 into p square, minus, now here write down multiplication of constants, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, now multiplication of variables, that is p into q is pq plus 3q whole square, that means 3 square. 3 square is 9 and q square. This is your answer. Now next example is x minus 2 upon x whole square. This is also in the form a minus b bracket square. Here a is x and b is 2 upon x. So use this formula. By using this formula we get a square, that is x square, minus 2 into a, that is x, into b is 2 upon x, plus b square, that is 2 upon x bracket square, which is equal to x square minus x get cancel. Here 2 into 2 is 4 plus 2 upon x bracket square, that is 2 square upon x square. 2 square is 4 and x square. This is answer. Now see next example. Next is x plus by bracket square. Here we use a plus b bracket square formula. Okay, so here a is x and b is by. So here write down x bracket square plus 2 into ab, that is ax into by, plus b square, that is by whole square, which is equal to ax square, that means a square into x square, that is a square to x square, plus 2 into ab xy plus by square, that is b square into y square. Now see next example, 7m minus 4 bracket square. Here we use formula for a minus b bracket square. Here a is 7m and b is 4. So see here what is expansion of 7m minus 4 bracket square. A square, that is 7m square, minus 2 into ab, that is 7m into 4, plus b square, that is 4 square. Now 7m square means 7 square into m square. 7 square is 49 into m square, minus 2 into 7 into 4, that is 56m, plus 4 square, that is 16. This is answer. Now next is x plus 1 upon 2 bracket square. Here a is x and b is 1 upon 2. So let's see, that is x square plus 2 into first term into second term, plus second term square, that is 1 upon 2 square, which is equal to x square. Here 2 get cancel, remains only x, plus 1 upon 2 bracket square, that means 1 square upon 2 square. 1 square is always 1 and 2 square is 4. Now last, that is a minus 1 upon a bracket square. See here how to solve. First we write down square of first term, that is a square, minus 2 into first term into second term, plus square of second term. Here a square minus a get cancel, remains only 2, plus 1 upon b bracket square, that is 1 square upon b square. 1 square is 1 upon b square. This is answer. Second question is, which of the options given below is the square of the binomial 8 minus 1 upon x? So let's check what is the expansion of square of this binomial. So now take square of this binomial. This is in the form a minus b bracket square. So expand by using formula for a minus b bracket square. Okay, that is square of first term, that is a square, minus 2 into first term into second term, that is 8 into 1 upon x, plus square of second term, that is 1 upon x bracket square, equal to 8 square is 64 minus 8 2s are 16 upon x plus 1 upon x whole square, that is 1 square upon x square. 1 square is always 1 and upon x square. See, this is third option is correct. This is expansion of 8 minus 1 upon x bracket square. Third question is, of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14mn pq plus 14n p square q square the expansion? Okay, see here, m square n square, square root of m square n square is m n. Okay, and square root of 49 p square q square, 49 square root of 49 is 7, square root of p square is p and square root of q square is q. Now mn plus 7 pq square is what? mn square, that is m square n square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is 2 sevens are 14 and mn into pq plus square of second term, that is 7 square is 49 p square plus q square. Therefore answer is here mn plus 7 pq, that is mn plus 7 pq, option number 4. Now see last question. Fourth question is, use expansion formula to find the values. First is 997. To solve this we use expansion formula, that is a plus b bracket square and a minus b bracket square. See here how to solve this. Here 997 is closer to 1000. Therefore this 997 can be written as 1000 minus 3. Okay, 1000 minus 3 you get 997. Now this is in the form a minus b bracket square, and you know the expansion of a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2 into ab plus b square. So here a is 1000 and b is 3. So 1000 square minus 2 into a into b, that is 1000 into 3 plus b, that is 3 square. 1000 square is 10 lakh. Okay, minus 2 into 1000 into 3, that is 6000 plus 3 square is 9. After simplification you get 9,94,009. Okay, this is square of 997. Okay, now next is 102 bracket square. 102 is closer to 100. Therefore it can be expressed as 100 plus 2 whole square. This is in the form a plus b bracket square. You know that a plus b bracket square is a square plus 2 into ab plus b square. So by using that we can write 100 square plus 2 into ab, that is 2 into 100 into 2 plus b square, that is 2 square. 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 2, that is 400 plus 2 square is 4. After addition you get 10,404. Okay, this is square of 102. Now see next is 97 square. 97 is closer to 100 and it is expressed in terms of 100 as 100 minus 3 bracket square. 100 minus 3 is 97. So here we expressed in this way. Okay, now this is in the form a minus b bracket square. You know that a minus b bracket square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So by using that, we write this 100 square minus 2 into a into b, that is 100 into 3, plus b square, that is 3 square. 100 square is 10,000 minus 2 into 100 into 3, that is 600, and 3 square is 9. After simplification you get 9,409. This is square of 97. Now see last 1005 bracket square. This is closer to 1000, so this is expressed in the form of 1000 plus 5 whole square. This is in the form a plus b bracket square. Okay, so 1000 square plus 2 into 1000 into 5 plus 5 square. 1000 square is 10 lakh plus 2 into 1000 into 5, that is 10,000, plus 5 square is 25. After addition you get 10 lakh 10,025. Okay, this is square of 1005. Okay, I hope you understand expansion of squares and how to solve examples in practice set 50. Thank you.